Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to make a quick tutorial how to make an Among Us character. So let's start by deleting the scratch cat, and then let's paint, new sprite, go to costume, we'll convert to bitmap, I'll zoom in a lot. What we're going to do, the brush, we're going to black color, we'll make it one side I guess, and what we're going to do is we'll draw an Among Us character. Let me show you step by step. Like 1, 2, 3, 3. And 2, 3, 4. Like this. Oops. This. Continue going up. Then stop here. Like this. Over. So, and this, continue going up. And then make this. That's too big, I think. Laser. Okay, and once you're finished, you can change the color. I like orange, so that's the color I use in Among Us. So we'll fill it, and then we forgot something. What's the white color? Just let's use cyan. Cyan. draw it like this. Now. Right. And then yeah. So I like to decorate this a little because I have a cheese hat, but let me try. This is supposed. No, I think like this. Am I right? Make circles. Oops, bad circles. And then hit it with orange. And there you go. And then we'll make the size like 1,000. And yeah, here it is. So thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to leave a like, comment down below how do you think about my Among Us character. Don't forget to share this video to your friends, and subscribe this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.